Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalaba USA. Today we're going to show you how to install the analog module on an existing DYNEO that you may have. The first thing that you will need is a Torx Plus driver. It's also shown as an IP size 8 on the Torx. You can't use a regular Torx because it fits too loosely in these screws and it will strip the heads out if you try and remove the screws. So you take your Torx Plus 8, remove the lower and upper screws, set them aside, and then you're going to slide the side panel out the rear. Then you're going to want to remove the blank plate from the slot in the rear. You'll receive the module in ESD packaging, and then the module will be inside of another ESD package. Once you remove the module, you'll see there's a connector that mates with the connector inside of the DD. You'll take the module, align it with the slots in the rear panel, the metal plate with the slots in the rear panel. You may have to bend some wires out of the way. Once you get it snapped into the connector, you should see that it fits pretty tightly in the groove in the rear. Again, you'll have to reposition some wires possibly. Then line up the piece on the bottom with the groove in the bottom, and then there's a groove on the top that's going to fit into a piece. And reattach the side panel with the two Torx Plus 8 threaded screws. And that is how you install the analog module into an existing DYNEO DD circulator. Thank you for watching.